What up, what up, what up? Squad up. Yeah, man, we gonna get into it. We gonna get into it. Skip Bayless finally. I been knew who he was. Everybody else did too. But when you hate black people and he talks shit about those black people, he's your best friend. I get it. So, Skip Bayless, racist bitch ass, no accolades, nothing under his belt but hatred towards LeBron James, hatred towards black men in the NBA league, period. And a lot of you bitch ass niggas, y'all already knew it. Ticket TV, Town Biz, Too Raw for TV. You fuck boy ass niggas. You fake pro-black, I'm down for my people, but I hate certain ones of my people, bitch ass niggas. Y'all see what just happened? All this time, every day for the last 3-4 years, Skip Bayless been on LeBron. The subject don't even have to be about LeBron, and he will bring LeBron in it. You same black YouTubers, you same niggas used Skip Bayless talking points. A lot of you niggas' channels is based off of Skip Bayless talking points when it comes to LeBron. All y'all repeat the same shit. 4 and 6. Skip Bayless came up with that. Old man Braun came up with that. Carcino, you a bitch ass nigga too. All of this shit and talking points from Skip Bayless, y'all repeated this shit. And been repeating it the past 3-4 years. But then, when one of these white men say something about a black NBA player that you niggas like, all of a sudden, we supposed to get on code. We supposed to stand with this one. We supposed to stand with that one. A lot of you black men, y'all sit next to white men and talk shit about LeBron James. I don't give a fuck if you don't like his game, if you don't like how he play. But to go all out like a lot of you niggas did, Ticket TV, Carcino, who go out they way. You got a nigga like Ticket TV, you know he a bitch ass nigga. You know you a bitch ass nigga when you doing commentary on who Ben Simmons sticking his dick in. OMG. Look, why every time, Ticket, when you do content about Rich Paul, why do you always have to put LeBron James' name in it? Everybody know that Rich Paul is connected to LeBron. OMG, LeBron's best friend. LeBron's best friend, Rich Paul. You a bitch ass nigga. I'm coming back for part 2 because I got to pause this. Yeah, part 2 of the Coon Niggas. Ticket TV. Back to you, pussy boy. Everything about you, everything is off the back of LeBron James' name, nigga. Talking points coming from Skip Bayless. So you niggas think it's cool to use white men's talking points against other black men, but we should be on code? We should stick together? How the fuck is that gonna happen? Then a lot of you niggas, you're so quick to call these celebrities coons and different shit like that. And some of these black celebrities, they are coons. But the type of shit that you niggas do on YouTube, you niggas ain't no better than the coons and the buck dancers that y'all talk about. Y'all ain't no fucking better. A lot of y'all is actually 10 times worse and you don't realize it. Now here it is. Last 3-4 years, it's okay to be a black man that hate a black NBA player and use a white man's talking points on another black man. That's cool for 3-4 years straight. But then in one day, Shannon Sharpe say Tom Brady is playing like trash, which he is. A lot of us see it. A lot of us, we watch the NFL. We watch the NFL. Shannon Sharpe say one thing, and Skip Bayless disrespect this black man on TV for the world to see, try to assassinate his character, try to assassinate his work, and tell him that he jealous of Tom Brady because Tom Brady is still playing at after 40 and Shannon Sharpe retired at 35. But you're not mentioning, Skip, look what Tom Brady coming back to the game has done to his marriage. You ain't talking about that. You ain't talking about how you go to bed with your wife every night, Skip Bayless. Well, next to the I hate LeBron sex doll, I don't know what side the sex doll lays on which side of the bed, but I don't know if the I hate LeBron sex doll sleeps next to your wife or your wife is on one side and the sex doll on the other. But you go to sleep at night with your wife and Tom Brady, whose dick you're sucking, he lost his wife. Tom Brady lost his wife because he's so fucking sick in the head that losing his family is worth entertaining dick suckers like Skip Bayless. You disrespect Shannon Sharpe for a man who just had to come back to the game so you could jack off while he played? Skip Bayless come up with all these different foul ass names and shit for black players. He don't do that shit to his own. But see, Ticket TV, Carcino, Too Raw, Town Biz. See, Skip Bayless taught you bitch ass niggas a lesson. And y'all bitch ass niggas, y'all want to know what that lesson is? The lesson is, I'm a white man. And I know a lot of men in the NBA that's the same skin color as me, I know that they're trash. But even though they're trash, them is my people. I'm not going to sit up and desecrate my people. Not for none of you niggas. See, Skip Bayless, he on code. You bitch ass niggas ain't. Skip Bayless know it's a lot of white motherfuckers in the NBA. That's white, that's trash. But he'll never get on national TV and trash them. Not for you niggers entertainment. Yeah. But Skip Bayless told y'all that y'all's brother LeBron is a cheater. He cheated the game. He cheated the system. But yet, Tom Brady literally cheated. The Patriots was literally, they was busted recording the Rams practice. The ball inflated, all of that type of shit. That ain't cheating the game. That's not the real definition of cheating the game. So me going and joining some other players to win a championship, that's cheating the game. But inflatable footballs, going and recording the Rams practice, oh, that's not cheating the game. That's not worth a motherfucker's accolades being questioned. That ain't worth that, huh? That ain't a motherfucker that's supposed to be questioned, right? Oh, but because on the other end, a black man named LeBron James, who didn't do none of the shit that Tom Brady did and the team he was playing with did. Because see, when it came to the scandals, it was the Tom Brady scandal, then it was the Patriots scandal. But I'm supposed to question LeBron's accolades and who he is because he joined a couple teams with a couple good players. I'm supposed to dog him out every day, all day. I'm supposed to get on YouTube and make 100 videos on why this black man isn't the GOAT. I'm supposed to do that, right? I'm supposed to come on YouTube and any and everything that come at LeBron, I'm supposed to do that, right? But I ain't supposed to do that shit to Tom Brady, huh? I ain't supposed to come on YouTube and make 100 videos on why Tom Brady ain't the greatest. See, the difference is I know Tom Brady, he ain't the greatest. And a lot of you niggas out there know the same thing. But some of you niggas, y'all want to call him great. He got this championship, that championship. But nothing is questioned with white man Tom Brady. Question the black man, but turn your eye on the white man. Oh, I get it. I get it. Question my own brother in his journey to success. But don't ever question a white man in his journey to success. I'm supposed to look at the league that they're soft. I'm supposed to believe that LeBron James, a black man, my brother, came into a white man's league who's been dominating black men for years, who's been stealing money from black men, giving black men broken promises, giving black men fraudulent contracts, trading black men. I'm supposed to turn a blind eye to that. Y'all niggas some fuck niggas. I hate y'all niggas. If I was to ever run into y'all niggas, you niggas will get lined the fuck up. Fuck you niggas' lives. You niggas ain't my brothers. I ain't y'all's brothers. Y'all stand against y'all stand with white folks against black folks. Y'all more dangerous than white supremacy. Because y'all ain't about all black people. Y'all about certain black people.